Hi, you guys. Mr. Hennekamp here, also known as Mr. Awesome, Mr. Cool, Mr. Modest, things like that. So we are switching gears a little bit from Specialist, and we are not going to be using the website anymore. We found out the website just kind of has extra clicks with it. It was a little confusing, and just kind of made you click in and log into things that you didn't really have to. Kindergarten, first, second, third are going to use everything through Seesaw. So on the side, you'll be able to access all your specialists there. Mrs. Anderly is going through and doing a video on that one. I am going to be doing fourth and fifth. So I'm in a fourth grade student right now, Callie. Thank you, Callie. And on her, she has 5 different courses that she's enrolled in. So she has her Spanish, her homeroom. She has music, art, and then technology. PE and media are going to be direct links through that master sheet that you get from your homeroom teacher. So it'll just be a link on to get to the media and the PE. But the other 4 are going to be on here. So if she wanted to click, so she's been clicking on technology forever. So if she'd click on technology, she can go to technology. Same with her normal classroom teacher one. So if she'd click on her normal classroom teacher one, it would go through, and she can click on each week that she would have there then. If she wanted to go back out, she could go back out to her dashboard. If for some reason you're not seeing one of your specialists, go under where it says courses over here, and then go to all courses. Whichever ones are starred are going to be showing up on your dashboard. So those are going to be the ones that you want to have on your dashboard. So hopefully this will be a little bit easier for people to navigate things. We're planning on putting 1 lesson out a week, starting from like Monday, and then it'll go for that week until Friday. Per specialist, you can kind of go into whatever specialist you want to go to at whatever time. If it's nice outside, then go outside and do some PE stuff. If it's raining or snowing, like it has been lately, maybe you want to do some technology, which you have been doing a ton of technology, so I'm fine if you don't do that much technology because everything is technology right now. And just find some kind of fun things to do, some relaxing things with that kind of stuff. So that hopefully will streamline it for you guys to make it a little bit easier to find your content from all your specialists and your classroom teacher and things like that too. So this is kind of overwhelming. We know there's a lot going on, so we're proud of you guys of all you're doing and all your hard efforts. If you guys have questions, ask, email your teachers, email the specialist if you have a specific question about that. And if something's just not working, step back for a while and just figure something else out. We're very, very, very flexible with trying to help you guys figure stuff out. We don't want you guys to get stressed because you guys are doing such a great job, and we want to see you as quickly and as soon as we can. So take care. See you guys later, and have fun. Bye.